Hi guys, today I will review Audi A6 4F xenon headlight. To be more precise, this is the pre-facelift xenon headlight. Indeed, it's a bi-xenon headlight. Your low beam and the high beam are at your projector. This headlight is for the pre-facelift models from 2004 till 2008. It's Hella made. The xenon system consists of a xenon bulb, xenon igniter, and as you can see, a ballast unit. Your ballast unit is located underneath your headlight. It's Hella made. In order to remove it, you will need T20 Torx. If you have a low beam failure, you have to check one of these three parts: the xenon ballast, xenon igniter, or your xenon bulb. Xenon ballast is Hella made with part number 5DV008-290, middle line 00. This is one of the most common xenon ballast out there. It's used at a lot of makes and models. It's interchangeable if you take it from, let's say, from BMW E60 pre-facelift models and so on. Let me show you what you have to do in case of low beam failure. First of all, you will have to check your xenon bulb. You have to turn counterclockwise the xenon igniter in order to remove it, and then you will see your xenon bulb. If you have a low beam failure, the first thing that you have to do is a bulb swap, xenon bulb swap between the headlights. You have to take the working side, from the working side headlight, the working xenon bulb, and put it to the non-working side xenon headlight, assuming that this is the faulty one. Let me show you how to replace your xenon bulb correctly without damaging your xenon igniter legs. Here, first of all, you have to put the xenon bulb at place, observing the notches on top here. You have to put it at place, and then you have to put the retaining springs located at each side and fix your xenon bulb. And then the second thing is to put your xenon igniter. As you can see, at your xenon igniter you have 4 guide openings. In these openings you have to insert the bulb legs inside. So before putting the igniter back, just make sure that the white ring, the openings, are aligned. If they are not aligned, let me show you. If they are in this position, then you will hardly insert the xenon bulb and you will break the internal ring inside. So the first thing, you have to align the openings. Now they are aligned. So just observing the legs, you have to put the igniter in place and turn it clockwise. At the very last stage, you have to put the the igniter plug in. Some guys are making the crucial mistake by not observing this order, and basically they are trying, first they are putting the bulb and then trying to insert the igniter into the projector, but you cannot do that. And while trying, most of the guys are breaking the legs. So don't forget the order. First bulb, retaining the bulb, then just checking the openings of the internal ring of the igniter. They should be aligned, as you can see. And then, depending on your position of your igniter plug, I will insert the igniter back in the lower position, upside down. And as stated, at the very last stage, you have to put the igniter plug back. Otherwise, you are risking to break your igniter, internal ring, or the igniter legs. Let me show you, by the way, let me show you also another igniter, another Hella made. This one is 5DD008 319, middle line 10. This igniter and the igniter with the metal shielding 5DD008 319, middle line 50 are completely interchangeable. They are same igniters, simply one of them has a metal shielding. Let me show you. If you remove the metal shielding, you will see that exactly same igniter is located underneath the shielding. Only there is no branding print and writings on it, but they are completely interchangeable and completely same igniters. Now I will demonstrate you your Xenon system, how your Xenon system works in practice. As you can see, if you have a low beam failure, either your ballast unit is faulty, or your Xenon igniter, or the Xenon bulb, D2S type Xenon bulb. You have to check one of these three parts. Another thing that I have to show you for this headlight is the vertical adjustment motor. Let me remove it. This motor regulates your beam up and down. This is non-adaptive type Xenon headlight. There is another type of headlight at these cars. It's the adaptive type headlights, but this one is non-adaptive type. Here you can see your vertical adjustment motor. Indeed, these headlights has two vertical adjustment motors. This one has the metal one. It's Hella or automotive lighting made. Both of them are same. The another version has a Hella made vertical adjustment motor with part number 734 857 middle line 03. So if you are replacing your vertical adjustment motors, first check your existing motor whether it's the metal one or the plastic one. If I am not mistaken, that's all for the troubleshooting. Of course, after the xenon bulb swap, if your headlight is not working again, then you have to swap the igniters. You will have to take the working igniter from the working side headlight and try it at the non-working side. If again your problem is not solved, you have to make a swap between the headlights, ballast swap. If you have any questions regarding troubleshooting of your Audi A6 4F type xenon headlight, please do not hesitate to ask your questions in the comment section. I will try to reply as soon as possible. Thanks for watching, guys. All the best. Bye for now.